What's up, y'all? Welcome to today's video. God, glasses are getting all foggy. Okay, whatever. I'll split my glass. Try that. Take two. I'm sure you can hear that. Wait, can you hear that? Dude, there's so many cicadas. Anyways, get right to it. So, God and Bot Grinder, obviously you know the Grinderino, but do you know the FIVERINO? Yeah, so God and had somebody, I forget, contact them, and they were like, hey, I made 5-inch arms for the Grinderino and it rips. So they released it, and I'm super excited to fucking, what was the fucking word? Fucking excited to fly. My ears are all clogged up. I feel like I'm all nasally. Yeah, so I built this 6S. It's 6S. I have these fat. Look how fat this thing is. Like, that is my head. Look how fat. That's like tattoo R-line. Will it focus? There it is. Will it focus? Okay. So fatty fat. I'm super excited to fly this because I was literally gonna build another 3.5-inch, and I got a hot tip. Hey, wait to do that. We're coming out with this. So I waited and I finally built it, and I know it's been out for a while. I think it's been out for like a week or two. But yeah, stick around. I'm gonna do a quick little build video, and if you are curious about any of the build specs with it, join the Discord, and I'll gladly list out all the parts for you. So this is also sub 250, which is pretty sick. All right, enough rambling. We'll do a quick build thing, and then we'll go fly. Hell yeah. Okay, really quick, I just as a PSA, if you get this Mamba stack, Mamba MK4 F722 Mini, yeah, it expects you to put the stack on micro, like toothpick sized, so I made my own standoffs, or I made my own stack screws to make this work, but just be warned, yeah, they expect you to not use normal stack screws because they don't fit.
Recovering slowly, a torso fell from a beat-up truck by a Row Motel. The manager seen how the truck bed bounced, while dust flew up with the rolling sound. Voices appear from the staff outside, their bulbous text in a western style. This mannequin next spun to turn its face, a box builds trunks out frame by frame.
Alright, I'm here at the spot, and this time I didn't forget the bug spray. Obviously this is the proving grounds now. I take all my stuff to go fly, and there is, see if I can do this, there is nobody here. Hell yeah. So yeah, pull it out of my car. I got Grinderino. Look at that fat fucking battery on there. So yeah, we're gonna fly it around here, and then we'll see what else we got. Probably gonna freestyle. This is a car. How's it going, man? Good? Just a nice gentleman driving by in his car. Get all my stuff set up, and then I have 4 batteries. You're not gonna have to sit through me flying all of them, but I am gonna fly one of them. I'm gonna see, like, kind of just cruise. I won't film it, but you won't see the thing. I'll tell you, the whole point was to tell you the results. So, okay, so I've been calling this, I don't know what Bot Grinder or Umagod officially calls it, but I've been calling this the FIVERINO. So, FIVERINO, yeah, this thing is fucking sick. I love this thing. It's so, Bot says it's good for cruising and all in the parks, but you know, I can't not freestyle things. It's just, I will get in the air and I'll be like, just cruising, and then I'll be like, what's one power loop? What's one inverted yaw? So I'm just gonna say fuck it and do it right out the bat. All right, hell yeah. I should start a band. Okay, so for this, I'm gonna do like a little narrated rip section. So let's power this bitch up. I already have I've already hover tested it and everything. So I'm just gonna stand here by my car and fucking send it. So always got to make sure that your radio is on. I always fucking forget. All right.
Throttle warning.
Fuck yeah, let's do it. Hell yeah. Okay. Come on. There we go. Make sure it's recording. Hell yeah, all right. Oh, yo. No fucking way. Not crashed into myself now. Oh, I just realized that this battery's not... I didn't charge this battery all the way. Oh, sorry about that. Dude, this thing, holy shit. No fucking way is this good. There's a fucking bike there. Oop, not get stuck. Let's not get stuck in the tree. This is so smooth. Holy shit. Okay, I just do a little cruising. Just gonna do a little cruising. This thing has no fucking business flying this good. Holy shit. Look how smooth that was. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna bring it in because these batteries are brand new. And put a new battery in, and then I'm gonna do some freestyle. Fuck yeah. Holy shit. I'm like almost instantly sold. Let me just feel. Motors feel good. Fuck yeah, this is insane. This is insane. Okay, let's finish this pack. Let's finish this pack and not crash. I'm able to take it a little bit more easy and not break this on the first outing. Oh, okay. I gotta sit down for this. I'm like shaking. I don't say this often, and I also don't say this lightly. This is hands down the best sub 250 quad drone, FPV freestyle drone I've ever flown, ever. It has no business being this fucking good. This isn't a paid video. No one paid me to do this. Just like always, I pay everything out of my own pocket. But God Motors, 6S, DJI. Obviously, I'm flying Crossfire because I'm still stubborn. Obviously, this isn't a bind and fly. You can't go out and buy this. So I'm sorry if you're watching this video wondering where you can get the link to buy this at. Like I said, I have a Discord. There'll be a link to the Discord in the description of the video, as always. Get on there. I'll give you the whole build list on there. The FIVERINO. The FIVERINO is, this thing fucks. They seriously slowed down to see what I was doing. Okay, that's weird. If you want to fly a sub 250 quad, especially in today's climate when everything is like up in the air, like, oh, is the FAA gonna get mad at me or anything? You can fly this, no remote ID, no problem. And I gotta say, I don't want to fly any other micro. I don't even care. My 3.5 inches, throw those things out the door. Yeah, if you enjoyed the video, do the subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. This thing is fucking sick. Oh, also, I got a Patreon and a Discord. I really appreciate everyone's support, and if you're a Patreon, join the Souls Club, and you get all kinds of fun benefits, and also you get to help me, because I pay for everything out of my pocket, like I said a billion times. Anyways, you guys fucking rule. Hell yeah. This thing fucking rules. Hell yeah, I love it. All right, bye.